Ever since man first died on this planet and spilled his blood on the dirt, people have asked the question, if a man die, shall he live again? That question was asked probably in the oldest book ever written, in the book of Job. Down through the centuries, tens of billions of people have died. And do you ever think what people spend most of their money on? It's spent on death. The vast majority of our national budget is spent on armies to protect us from other forces, hospitals to revive us if we become sick, doctors to heal our bodies, nurses to care for us, vaccines, prescription drugs, and trillions of dollars on government bailouts. That's what it's led to. It's all because man fears death, and it seems never ending. Why do we spend all our money on death? Because it's the ultimate enemy, the final terror, and causes a man to tremble, to fear, if he does not know the Lord and Savior, Christ the Lord. So many are lost. So many doubt their faith in God. And Jesus is the only one who defeated death and hell and fear. And he went to a place called heaven. It's his heaven, to prepare a place for his own. He went to Calvary's cross to pay for it in full, the one that sticks closer than a brother. By the way, it is his heaven, and he says who gets in and who doesn't. See, sin has always been the problem, and Jesus is the only one who did anything about sin. Take this one away with you today. Every sin we commit will be punished by God, either on us in hell or on Christ at Calvary. For me, it's a no-brainer. For I know that my Redeemer lives, and in that day he will stand on the earth. May we live a life without fear, a life that pleases God our Father. And may we be able to say along with the Apostle Paul, for to me, to live is Christ, and to die is gain. Well, I think the majority of Americans still don't know how to get to heaven. But Jesus responded to doubting Thomas. He said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one goes to the Father but by me. You know, all the religions have a way. They tell you to walk in that way or talk in that way, and you'll get to go wherever you're supposed to go. But the teachings are all the same. You know how you got there? I hope you know. You followed the way. You walked in that path. You kept the teachings. You did it yourself. See, you're your own savior, because all false religions teach there's no savior but yourself. But Jesus says, I am the way. The way is Christ himself. Thank you for joining us at the Story of Liberty.